Hello, this is João from Joaracrafts, and today we'll be creating the Rusted Blade dice set. We wanted to make a steel looking dice, but having just one color is boring, so we gave it a rusted edge. It looks cool, so that's it. It actually started with the concept of having a barbarian blade covered in blood. But in the end, we thought this copper mica powder made the dice have a cool rusted effect, so we went with that instead. We'd start by prepping the mold by powdering it with a bit of copper mica powder before we even mix the resin. We'll repeat this for all the dice in the set. This can be done in any number of ways, but we like to use the edge of the dice as a guide, to pretend that portion of the blade is rusting away as if it were the edge of a real blade.
Wow, look at how pretty that looks!
Now that we have the mold prepared, we can mix our 2-part epoxy resin and pour this silver gray mica powder into it. Stirring it all together fiercely. The amount of fierceness makes the dice cooler. Trust me on that. Eventually, the resin will have this awesome silver or steel-like look to it. This means we are ready to forge our blade. If there's bubbles surfacing to the top, don't forget to pop them with a lighter. Do that fiercely as well. And now that those fierce bubbles have been dealt with, we'll close the mold and place it into the pressure pot for 24 hours as it cools down. To paint this ice, we'll be using darkest Abaddon black citadel paint we have lying around, and the most mistreated brush in the existence of the world. Prove us wrong if yours looks worse in the comments below. We'll paint the dice numbers by splurging the paint in them, and wipe whatever we don't want with our fingers. The dirtier it gets, the better. But once we've painted our dice, we'll need to make them shine. For that, we'll use a microfiber cloth with some alcohol and wipe off the excess paint. Don't forget to wash your hands before you use your dice. Looks like we missed a spot. Let's wipe that off. This is how the rusted blade dice look. They only look like they're rusting away, but they actually have pretty sharp edges. So be careful handling them. We suggest being extra careful with the elusive four-sided dice that always falls on the floor at the most inconvenient times. It hurts a ton if you step on it as well, so be careful. We're pretty happy with how these dice turned out. Let's throw them around and see if they behave. After that, we'll show how pretty they look from all sorts of angles as well. Stay around and peer into their magnificence. We are pretty sure you like these rusted blade dice, so we certainly don't need to ask you that you leave a like on this video and let us know what you like the most about it with a comment down below, do we? Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. We are sure they will like these dice as well. And if you want to see more cool stuff like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yes, I believe that's everything. Thank you for watching, and may the dice rolls be in your favor. I'll go get some meat now. Bye bye.